Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to do a quick video here, a quick update just to show you guys that I am finally back in the green. It was a long wait, a long time, just patience, man, patience. Yeah, so as you can see, my overall investing account here, it's $54,157, and yeah, we can go through it from the past 3 months when I last uploaded my first video here. You can see that I was pretty much down a significant amount. Even later on, like from June as well, I went lower. This is the yearly, so when I did my videos back in 2018 or so, yeah, so I came a long way. You know, it's all about patience and, you know, practicing on what I needed to do. If you check my all tab, you can see here I have definitely passed the amount from when I started back in 2017. So, which, you know, I'm getting used to just practicing patience and buying the right stock, and the stock that actually, you know, which surpassed my expectancy was Apple. And you know, where you can see here the analyst says to hold in the buy rates here, I actually bought it back at 211.96. I don't know if you remember, there was a company called what was they said to sell off Apple and all that stuff, but yeah, I actually bought it back when it started to sell off. And yeah, I made most of my profit through there. I also got a significant amount for dividend. Yeah, I'm just gonna show a screenshot of how much I actually gained from that. But yeah, over the months, I've actually been adding more to my account. My goal is to just see if I can get this account up to like 100,000 or so. I mean, let me know your story. If you're actually down right now, are you up right now? Let me know. I know it's been a long time, and yeah, I just plan on doing some more research and just getting everything back into business. Cause yeah, this trading thing, it's nothing to be played with, you know. It takes practice and it takes patience and consistency. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. This is YouTube, guys. You already know what to do. Peace.